Welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to set WhatsApp about permanently. Now to do that, obviously go ahead and open up your WhatsApp application like me over here. After opening it up, tap on these three dots, tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, you then come over here and tap on account over here. Now depending on what you want, now if you want to set the about section, you obviously come to this pen or pencil like icon. Once you tap on it, you'll see the about section over here. Now on the about section, you can then go ahead and set in whatever you want to set in. Now let's say for example I want to set in this. I'll just go ahead and type in the word I want. For my case, I'm setting in manifest. Then tap on this tick over here to make it permanent. And basically that's how to do it. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe.